And yeah, I'm gonna present you this game, and you're just gonna see how this game looks like and what it is. Okay, so as you can see, it's a 2D game. Now, it's meant to be for mobile, and right now I'm just uh, doing it on a computer so that I can record this. Okay, so if I click, I'm shooting fireballs or whatever. Um, Now, it's exactly the same thing if I run on a mobile platform. If I just tap the screen, I'll just shoot there. That's pretty neat. Okay, now what am I shooting? Because I'm shooting nothing. Oh, and one more thing. This moon is just crazy. It's just running from me. There we go. Okay, so we have no enemy, but we'll just talk about those later. I want to just talk about spells. Right now we have a spell book. So the essence of the game, it's not just attacking and attacking. That'll be dull. I mean, shoot. No, it's not that. We have a whole spell book. Now, if I open that, as you can see, we have 9 spells. 9 spells, which means 3 spells per aspect. We call this aspect, and we have 3 aspects. So we have a fire aspect, an ice, and a nature one. So fire aspect, it's more like damage. It's meant to deal damage. Ice, it's meant to support you somehow. We have some freezing spells, some slow spells, so that enemies will reach you, will need more time to reach you, so we have time to react. We have nature, where you can heal. So we can heal, you can steal life from enemies, and so on and so on. Now, about the aspects, as you can see, we have a red scepter here. I mean, the eye, it's red. And that color represents the aspect. Now, if I click, as you can see now, it's on ice. And you can see here, it went from fire to ice. And now from heal, and now it's green. So this button over here allows you to switch over the states. Because let's just say, let's learn fireball. And as you can see here, Cernero uses the ancient knowledge to call forth greater fireball from the deepest of the 16 hells. The great fireball cannot be evaded and leave no witnesses. Okay, this sounds terribly enough. Now let's just see it in action. And yeah, I'm sure. And one more thing, we have spell points, so that you can have 1, 2, or 3, and each time you implement more points, and you will see that right now it says cost 0 levels, but when I'm going to implement those things, you will need to be like level 2 to get one of these, and then you need to be like level 3 or 4 to upgrade it. So it's not like you can just take them wherever you want. Okay, so each point will upgrade the spell. Easy enough. Okay, so right now, as you can see, I have no spell because I'm on nature. Now if I click, I can only use the fire spell when I'm on a fire aspect. That's good enough. Now if I click, wow, that was something. Okay, nothing happened because we have no enemies, so I'm just gonna enable those enemies here so that we can see them in action. Now every mob, every character, every enemy, let's just call it that way, provides experience in gold. And as you can see, you got 10 gold for each and 10 XP for each. And they deal damage, as you can see here, and I can just kill them with 1 click. Now, if I use this, you just clear the whole level. Now, let's just hit pause a little bit. Another important thing that I want to talk about are those portals. Now, as you can see, we have 2 portals. Now, those portals, as you can see, half of it here spawns enemies. So you need to kill a desired number of enemies in order to unlock the portal, and then after you unlock it, you can just kill it with your basic attacks. And if you kill it, it won't be able to spawn any moves at all. Okay, so back, I'm gonna just present you more spells here. This is Rain of Fire. I'm not gonna read you this. It's too much. It's not gonna work. Okay, let's just see it in action. If I call this, it's a Rain of Fire, so it deals damage to enemies. Come on, you see that? Okay, that's nice. Okay, the third spell is about critical hit. Now, you have a chance of hitting your enemies harder, which somehow it's referred in other games to be a critical strike. So you can just learn that, and just for the sake of this demonstration, I'm gonna just give it 3 levels so that you can see, so we have more chances to crit, so I don't hit 10,000 enemies in order to get a crit. And as you can see there, I just critted. Like, instead of 20 damage, I give 30 damage, and that's pretty nice. Okay, so here we have the first spell of the eyes. Now, this thing, what it, whoops, sorry, okay. What it does, allows you to, wait a sec, actually here, okay, allows you to spawn a, some ice crystals from top, and you can just kill every move in that area. So if I enable that and I just click, you see I'm attacking, but right now something dropped from the sky, which is pretty nice when you have a lot of enemies stacked. So as you can see here, I'm just clicking and boom. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you a combo that we've created here. It's not meant to be only a combo, you can use it however you want, but you can use those spells. We have 2 spells here that can work together, and it's a lot of impact in those 2 things. So it's this one. This ability allows you to freeze any opponent in your sight. So let's just get that. And this guy, it's a channel heal, so you have to stay down and just wait to be healed. So what I'll show you, I'm gonna just enable those things here. So what I'm gonna show you, I'll switch to freeze, and then I'm gonna heal. So let's suppose I'm getting tons of damage, and those guys are everywhere. They're unstoppable. I cannot just hit them. Every ability is on cooldown. So yeah, we can do a neat trick. So as you can see, my life drops pretty dramatically. I can just freeze those guys like that, and I can just heal up. How nice is that? Just looking at it. Now I'm ready to fight, and just drop this on top. I just cleared that. It might be a little bit overpowered, but we're always looking to be a little bit balanced game. So yeah, another interesting thing we have is the ability to slow down enemies, and it's not that powerful, but it's there, and it's a passive one. So it's slowed, just slowed. It's pretty neat to have. Okay, so right now I'm gonna show you how portals work. So if I enable those enemies, and well, I have to kill a desired number of enemies in order to unlock it. So as you can see here, I have a spell bar of the portal. So right now, if I shoot it, I just killed it, and now no enemy is gonna be spawned from that one. And what I have to do, I have to unlock another portal, and it is unlocked because I just set to be unlocked like 4 kills, and this is insane. Okay, and I'm gonna just call it. It's pretty buggy. The actual health bar is buggy, but it doesn't matter. And right now, I just destroyed the second portal. Now, pretty much this should be the objective of this game. You have to kill the enemies. You have to reach the portal, kill the portal, then reach the other portal and kill that too. And at that point, you just clear the stage and you're ready to go to the other level. Okay, so I hope you like this, and it's pretty important for us to know if there is anyone who likes this, because we spend a lot of time doing this, and we have no feedback. We don't know if anyone likes this, and doing that and doing even spending more time on this and knowing that no one likes it is gonna be a pain. So right now we're somewhere half a road to publish this, and we need your help, because without your help, this game won't find any app store available on the mobile platforms. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out the Twitter page. We'll open it pretty soon, and right there I'm gonna write every single update, every single new thing we implement and stuff, everything about this game. So yeah, thank you very much.